Could you please summarize Plast 2026 for us?
Yes, obviously. First of all, it was a successful show. We are speaking of more than 1,000 exhibitors on a net surface of 40,000 square meters, covering 6 different halls of Milano Fairground, Fiera Milano, and also in terms of visitor, it was a successful exhibition, even if obviously today we are not relying on the numbers of visitors. We are relying on the quality of visitors. So it was a successful show from this point of view. We were also organizing the visit of more than 350 selected buyers coming from more than 50 different countries, Asian country, African country, Europe, Middle East, North and South America. So we were really able to cover all the world. So more than 1/3 of the visitors were coming from outside Italy and 2/3 roughly from Italy.
Are any additional events took place during Plast 2026?
Yes, I mean, we were having several, let me say, shows in the shows, because we were having rubber, that it was a dedicated area to the rubber industry, and then we were having an area dedicated to 3D, the so-called 3D Plast, so 3D printing, that it was really successful with a lot of exhibitors compared to the past, and in particular with a contest between engineers and architects and industry companies, I mean, using the 3D technology for designing top quality and really advanced product. Going ahead, we were having the so-called Start Plast, so the area dedicated to the startup companies. We were having roughly 20 companies, and then we have not to forget all the conference and seminar that we were organizing, covering different topics, going from the packaging to the environment, all the plastic industry, piping, and so on. So the idea was not only to organize a show, but to organize a show integrated with the culture of plastic, so conference, seminars, etc. and etc.
Are you planning the next editions of Plast?
Yes, the next edition will take place in 2029. So Plast is taking place every 3 years. It's on a cycle of 3-year basis. So it will be 2029, May or June. We have not yet the date available. It will depend from the availability of Fiera Milano, but anyway, will be or May or June like this time.
Thank you very much.
We thank you for the opportunity.